Hey guys! Today let's learn how to create a broadcast channel on Facebook Messenger. So if you guys want to go ahead and create a broadcast channel over on the Facebook Messenger application and see if it is actually possible. Well, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys. So what we need to do first in order for us to accomplish this one is to go on over and tap on the Facebook application. So once you're already here, I want you to go ahead and tap on your page profile. So let's go on over onto our page profile right here on our menu tabs, and that's going to take us to our page profile. Now tap on your profile right here, and over here, I want you to tap on the plus icon to create in the menu under your profile picture. So you do have these options over here. I want you to go back on here and see if this is actually possible over on this section. So once you tap on this drop down, and we have another option right here to create a new Facebook profile. Now, let's try to go ahead and do that. But this is basically going to give us the option to just create a new Facebook profile. As you see right here, it gives us the option to create a new Facebook profile. So guys, what we actually need to do in order for us to create our own broadcast channel is, of course, before we start we need to have a professional account, because the option for us to create a new broadcast channel should be located on this section. So what we need to look out for is, of course, the option for us to create that broadcast channel, which should be located over here on this section. So in order for us to have that option, of course, we need to go ahead and tap on this option to create our professional account. So tap on turn on professional mode, and let's turn on this real quick. And once that is already done, we are already in professional mode, and we should see that option already here if we have it already. So if any case that you still cannot see that option, of course, we do need to just do a few more things to have this. And that is, of course, to make sure that we have the latest version of Facebook installed on our device. So I want you to go ahead and search for Facebook over on your app stores, and I want you to make sure that you have the latest version of Facebook installed on your device. If you do have an update available like this one right here, this may be contributing as to why you cannot see the option to create your broadcast channel. But if you are basically one of those users who are not necessarily experiencing some issues like this, you could easily go ahead and locate your broadcast channel as I taught you, going over on your profile, scrolling down over on what's on your mind. You should see the channel option located right here. That's all for this video, guys. Think of ways for watching, please. Like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.